What if you could take control of your blood sugar naturally while still enjoying delicious, satisfying meals? The keto diet has gained attention as a powerful tool for managing diabetes, helping to stabilize blood sugar and reduce insulin resistance. But how does it work, and is it the right choice for you? Let's break it down. The key issue with diabetes is blood sugar spikes, often caused by consuming too many carbohydrates. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which raises blood sugar levels. In response, insulin is released to help regulate this spike. However, in people with diabetes, this process is impaired, leading to unstable glucose levels and potential long-term health risks. The ketogenic diet focuses on drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats and moderate protein. This shift puts your body into a state of ketosis, where fat, rather than glucose, becomes the primary energy source. By doing so, blood sugar levels remain stable, reducing the need for large insulin spikes. One of the biggest benefits of keto for diabetes is improved insulin sensitivity. When you lower your carb intake, your body doesn't need to produce as much insulin, which can help reduce insulin resistance over time. Many people with type 2 diabetes find that a keto diet helps them manage their condition more effectively, sometimes even reducing their need for medication. Another advantage of keto is sustained energy and fewer cravings. Since your body is running on fat instead of sugar, you avoid the energy crashes and hunger spikes that come with carb-heavy meals. This makes it easier to maintain a consistent eating pattern and avoid unhealthy snacking. So, how do you get started? Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Prioritize healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. Include moderate protein sources such as eggs, poultry, and grass-fed meat. Keep your carb intake low by choosing leafy greens, cauliflower, zucchini, and other non-starchy vegetables. It's important to monitor blood sugar levels regularly when starting keto, especially for those taking diabetes medication. Some individuals may need to adjust their dosages under medical supervision as their blood sugar levels stabilize. Staying hydrated and ensuring proper electrolyte intake will also help prevent the common keto flu symptoms. If you're looking for a way to naturally stabilize your blood sugar while enjoying delicious meals, keto might be the perfect fit for you. Have you tried a low-carb diet for diabetes management? What was your experience like? Let's talk in the comments.